Hey guys, Damon here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get started investing in real estate, even if you have no money down. So let's get started. And be sure to stay all the way until the end of the video, and I'll tell you how you can get a free gift just for watching. When I first got started in real estate, I was like many people. I was working at a job that I didn't even like, and I just wanted to be free from it. I wanted to be able to have my own schedule, to be my own boss, to take a vacation when I wanted to. I just wanted that freedom. And so that's why I started studying into real estate, because I had always heard that so many people had become financially free using real estate and investing. So from my studying, I picked out one strategy that worked for me, and that was lease purchase. And the reason that I picked out lease purchase is because at the time, I didn't have 10 to 20% to put down on a property to buy it. And with this strategy here, I didn't even have to go to a bank right away. First off, you may be asking, what is a lease purchase? A lease purchase is a combination of two different agreements. The first is a lease agreement, which gives you the right to lease someone else's property and sublease it out to someone else. And the second agreement is a purchase agreement, which gives you the right to purchase the property for a predetermined price at any time during the lease purchase term. All of this gives you control of someone else's property, which you can turn around and make money on by selling it at a higher price to an end buyer. And what better way to show you how easy this is than to actually go over a deal that I did myself. The deal we'll go over is actually one that I made $10,000 on, and it took about 3 weeks from start to finish. I found this deal by contacting a seller who was marketing their property online. They had been trying to sell it for about 12 months. The first 6 months they were listing it with a realtor, and it didn't sell. And they had been trying to sell it for sale by owner for around 6 months when I had contacted them. The deal that I had negotiated with the seller was for a 12-month lease purchase. The monthly payments were $1,265 a month and the purchase price of $170,000. So I had control of this property for 12 months, and I knew that I could turn around and sell it to someone else because they were asking slightly below market value for the property. Once I had the agreement signed with the seller, I started marketing for a buyer, and it took me about 2.5 weeks, and I found the buyer that was willing to pay $180 for the property and put $10,000 non-refundable option consideration on the home. It was great for them because they had a few credit blemishes that was keeping them from getting a mortgage, but it was going to take them about 6 to 9 months to get that cleared up, so a 12-month lease purchase was perfect for them. I signed the agreements with the buyer and collected the $10,000 down. The seller was happy because they got their 170 and they didn't have to pay that 1265 that was costing them every single month on a vacant property. The buyers were happy because it gave them enough time to get their credit cleaned up, so they were able to buy the home within 12 months, which they actually did, and they got a great deal on it. And for my time and knowledge of putting it all together, I made $10,000 on the deal. And this is just one of the many ways that you can profit using lease purchase. So stay tuned in my next video, and I'll show you the many different ways that you can profit using the lease purchase strategy. If you have any questions about lease purchase or you'd like to know more, feel free to call me. I answer my own phone. My number is 314-764-5656, or go to my website, damonboudreaux.com, and schedule a free 15-minute consultation and get a free one-page lease purchase agreement, the same agreement that I use on all my deals. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate investing content to come. See you in the next video.